Home sellers, more on offering compensation to buyer's agents. As you know, it's my opinion, the safest thing for you to do is to offer zero. Put zero in the listing agreement, offer zero in the MLS. While those fields are still there, they may get erased sometime soon. And you can say, even when the offers come in and the offer says, we would like you to pay our buyer agent, you could counter out and say, no, we're offering zero to buyer's agents. I think that is the safest from a legal standpoint. Whether it gets your home sold or not at the price you want, I'd say why not give it 7 to 10 days unless you're in a rush. But you probably want to talk to. This is where you don't need to be a real estate lawyer. This is where a good agent who knows what's going on in your market can show you those are homes being sold, can talk to you about levels of compensation, could be vital. But when it's time to offer compensation to buyer's agents, I think that's when you need a lawyer. Because we know here on page 17, it said in consultation with real estate professionals, you can offer compensation outside of the MLS. And they didn't say realtors, they said real estate professionals. That's because lawyers know there's risks. It could be illegal steering. It could be compromising the buyer's agent's ability, fiduciary duty to the buyer's agent, because they may, if you do it wrong, incentivize buyers to offer too much. And that could be a problem for sellers, although I certainly understand where sellers are like, I would like too much. So, what are the ways a buyer's agent can be compensated? Directly by the buyer client. So in this circumstance, you could counter out, an offer comes in asking for 2%, you could counter out and say 0 and see if the offer still, if the buyer walks away or stays, because the buyer could compensate the buyer's agent directly. Buyers can get paid directly from the seller if you'd like. Buyer agents can get paid by seller's agent. This might be a good one for you. And seller agents can offer, this is a difficult one we're going to discuss in the next video, compensation of buyer's agents without using the MLS. And any such offer can be made directly to the buyer's agent or may be conveyed elsewhere, such as on the agent's website. We're going to cover that one in the next video because I believe it's fraught with risk, and you should definitely have lawyers involved, maybe not out of your pocket if you're going to compensate buyer's agents, have it come out of the buyer's agent compensation. We're going to discuss that in the next video. Thanks. My name is John McConnin. I'm a real estate attorney and broker in California. You can learn more at winnerscheck.com in the free buyer and seller videos.